Dear all, it is a time to focus on the disadvantaged population who is at the high risk of pandemic mortality. For example, disabled, senior citizens, gender minority, rural, tribal population, marginalized population, refugees, and frontline workers should be taken care before others. We need to fight this global pandemic and require a united and proactive response. If we are divided, we will perish. United, we will survive. It is prudent at this point of time to have a right to access to health care across the world. In compliance with the tradition of Hamdard, we end our program with Dua Said. I would like to thank you all for sparing time from your busy schedule to participate in this conference. Dear delegates, you will receive the participation certificates and shields within due course of time. Goodbye, have a nice evening, keep safe.